We're here at the Hyatt Regency in Milwaukee. We've got some modded elevators. Looks like we could get any of these four. Got this one. These are glass. We're gonna go up to P. It's 18. We're at 18. Round 2.
Going up.
Going up. Guess we'll go for another ride. Actually, let's see if we can get a different car. There it goes. Let's try for another car. Got this one here. And there's music playing. Hopefully there's no one in it.
Going up.
This one only goes to 18. Watch the numbers.
Floor 18. Going down.
Door closed. Here are 2.
Floor 2. Going down.
All right. Well, those are some neat elevators. That'll be it.